It seems to me, yan o, alam mo, eto talagang image na 'to yung ano, nakakatuwa 'no, for me. Kasi tingnan mo 'no, parang yung pusa there and then this is you with this mahabang ano 'no, walis na pangkalsada or walis na pang-agyo na parang, "Oh, sige 'pag lumapit ka dito sa'kin hahampasin kita nitong walis ko." 'Yan. So, parang ikaw 'to na may posibleng meron ka ritong pinagdidistansyahan, may ina-avoid. Eh, but look at the face of the cat. Let me just show you. Ito. So happy to see you. The cat is so in love with you. This is someone here who expresses his or her emotions. Okay? And this person here is very obvious. And I think someone here pwedeng nag-confess ng love for you. Pero may distansya. You're keeping your distance. May space. Oh. Okay? Yan. So, nakita ko rito na posibleng meron ditong energy na may gusto sa'yo, fresh ka. For some reason, parang pagka tinukso ka dyan sa person na yan, parang hindi ka kikiligin. Ganun yung energy na nakita ko rito. So, what is really happening here for you guys? And who is this? Na parang kahit sinusungitan mo siya, parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin. No? Yeah. I'm getting that Ines type of energy. Pero hindi naman yung point na pagkamuhi. That's so ano na, no? That's so grabe na. Pagka-Ines, yes. Yeah, I'm seeing bangaw na malaki, no? Na parang gumugulo-gulo sa head ng isa. So, it could be your head. And this is something here that's bothering you. Para pag may bangaw, di ba, you make that hand gesture to make it a boy. Ganun. So, it gives me this type of message that maybe you didn't like this person here. But that's it. Let me just shuffle this. Alright, let's get into your reading. This is so intriguing, no? Parang controversial ito. Oh, okay. 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 Oh, I see. Okay. So, hey there mga may loves collective. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta dito sa akin sa channel na ito. At sa mga new subscribers, hello sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yan. Welcome today po kayo here. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, wala tayo ditong gender. Alam niyo naman yan. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can play froze if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, huwag niyo kalimutan na malaya rin kayong gamitin ng inyong mga free will. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Wala rin tayong time period, so pwedeng ito ay tapos or nangyari na, sa iba hindi pa at prediction sa kanilang future, at sa iba naman nangyayari sa kasalukuyan, no? Kasalukuyang oras or panahon. So, nakita ko dito, Ace of Wands energy, Queen of Swords, Eight of Coins energy, and right at the center of this reading is the Four of Cups energy. Someone here na pwedeng sinabihan mo na dati, baka na-reject mo na dati, no? or parang sinabihan mo lang, winarningan mo or inadvisean mo na 'wag siya ritong ma-inlove sa'yo. Yes. Okay. So, parang siya 'to na lumalapit-lapit sa'yo ngayon, siya 'to na nagpapapansin sa'yo ngayon 'no, dikit na dikit sa'yo ngayon 'no. May mga movements tayong nakikita ngayon with the Knight of Cups energy, very expressive 'no, itong person na 'to 'no. And then ikaw 'to na parang nakikita ko na either nakukulitan ka 'no, or parang umiiwas ka pero ayaw mo na sana magsalita pero ikaw 'to na parang gusto mo na siyang kumprontahin at yung iba puwedeng kinumpronta niyo na siya rito, yung parang, "'Di ba sabi ko sa'yo huwag kang ma-i-inlove sa'kin." Eh, paano 'yan na-inlove na ako sa'yo? 'Yan, problema nga ito. Wonder Pets, 'yan 'no, alam mo yung kaibigan, 'yan yung mga ano, yung may sisiw dun 'no, yung mga Wonder Pets 'no, hamster ata yung isa or guinea pig. Yan oh, yes, nanonood po ako niyan, oh, at hindi dahil sa pamangkin ko, napanood ko talaga yun at inaabangan ko yun. Bakit, may problema ba tayo dun? So yun yung mga waves 'no. Nakikita ko dito that this person here is someone tingin ko na-reject mo na or sinabihan mo lang, winarningan mo dati na wag ma-inlove sa'yo, eh, paano 'to, hindi nag-work, na-inlove pa rin siya sa'yo rito, yan. Well, you really do not need to do something about it. Pero sa nakikita ko rito, Eight of Coins energy, Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands energy, double, Four of Cups energy. I do see that this is you. This person is really getting into your nerves kahit ayaw mo. Ayaw mo nga sana magsalita, eh, 'no? Pero itong person na 'to 'no, parang nadi-distract ka niya rito. Lumalabas na lang siya rito sa isip mo, pumapasok siya sa isip mo rito lalo na yung sinabi niya 'no, na-inlove siya sa'yo rito or baka nag-confess ito ng emotions and feelings sa'yo 'no. Kahit na ni-reject mo siya, this person keeps on following you. This person keeps on, being around you. Kahit sinabihan mo na siyang lubayan ka niya, huwag ka na niyang kulitin, tumigil na siya 'no or what 'no, or don't fall for you, pero na-fall na daw siya, 'yan. So this person here, parang nakikita mo na siya sa bawat tingin mo sa sulok ng bahay niyo. Paglabas mo 'no, tingin mo rin dun mga babes, mga kapitbahay mo, eh, mukha niya, may mga ganyan. So nakikita ko rito 'no na parang, um, naiisip mo siya kahit hindi mo naman siya technically na gustong isipin. Okay. So, nakikita ko rito na parang ikaw 'to na ayaw mo siya ritong maisip, pero naiisip mo siya. Nakikita mo siya everywhere, 'no? And this bothers you a lot. Hindi ka na makapag-work na maayos dito. Sinusubukan mo i-distract yung mind mo sa work mo, pero it's not effective. This is you, 'no? Parang alam mo yung energy na 'pag nagsa-stop ka and you take a pause, you're thinking, "Ba't ko naiisip 'tong tao 'to? Ba't nakikita ko siya everywhere, may gusto ko sa kanya, solve na." Well, sa nakikita ko rito mga babes 'no, let me just tell you the truth. Kasi kung reading mo 'to, ang sinasabi dito sa'kin is, wala po kayong gusto sa kanya. Naiisip mo siya rito, nakikita mo siya everywhere, hindi dahil may gusto ka sa kanya, okey? Kasi inside your subconscious mind, you feel responsible with this person here. Puwedeng before naka-deal na rin kayo ng person, ito that's not resonate sa lahat, pero meron sa inyo yung naka-deal na rin kayo before ng puwedeng nanligaw sa inyo or nagkagusto sa inyo 'no, na puwedeng na-reject ninyo 'no, and yung person na yun posibleng nagka-stress, nagka-anxiety, and yung iba posibleng na-depress dahil sa rejection na ginawa mo. So, posibleng nagkaroon yun ng negative na effect dun sa person na yun at posibleng nalaman mo yun, posibleng, nagka-trauma ka about that, you know. I'm sorry if I brought it up, pero yun yung nakita ko rito, so I have to tell. So, nakikita ko rito 'no, na yung iba sa inyo posibleng meron nagkagusto sa inyo 'no, pero nag-create yun ng hindi magandang, resulta sa person na yun. So, You feel obligated. And now this thing happened na naman. Someone that you do not like uh, keeps on lingering into your energy. No? You do not like this person, but you feel obligated because others of you, pwedeng may trauma kayo sa same na situation na posibleng nangyari na sa inyo before. No? So you feel responsible with this person here. Because ayaw mo ng person sana na nasasaktan because of you or dahil sa'yo or kahit na anong, kahit even 1% na may kinalaman ka, you do not want na makasakit ng ibang person, lalo na kung involved ka rito or lalo na ikaw yung main character dito, no? So, I do not see that you like this person here. You're seeing him or her everywhere. Yes, that's true. Iisip pa siya. Yes, that's true. But you just feel obligated. You just feel responsible with this person. But I'm gonna tell you, it's not your fault if someone fell in love with you. Okay? Because it's not a crime na may magkagusto sa'yo in the first place, isn't it? Love is free. You can have it, no? But, bawat isang tao may karapatang magmahal. Pero hindi yun garantiya na kung sino yung mahal mo, mahal ka rin niya. And that is what is happening with this person. He loves you, he likes you, but you also have karapatan to love, di ba? Pero hindi siya yun. So, iba sa inyo may mahal kayong iba, may tinitingnan kayong iba, may minamanifest kayong ibang person. See? That person you feel obligated is someone who loves you. And you love someone else. Diba? So stop feeling obligated with other people. It's not your fault that they like you. It's not your fault that they loved you. Kung nakaka-inlove naman talaga ikaw, diba? So here, I do not see that you like that person. You just feel responsible. Others, pwedeng may trauma. What if maulit na naman yung bagay na yan? It was one of the dark path na pwedeng pinagdaanan mo before. Might be someone here tried to harm themselves because hindi nila na-attain yung love from you. But you know what? I'm proud of you. Because you did not sacrifice yourself. Natatanggapin mo yung love ng isang person dahil love ka niya. What the heck? That's a lame excuse. Why will you stay in that type of connection if you do not like a person, isn't it? You're just torturing yourself. At yun ang hindi mo ginawa. Because you know what you deserve. You know kung sino yung mahal mo. If you are having a person right now whom you love the most, then you're choosing that person. It's not a crime. Diba? Someone loves you and you love someone else. It's okay though. And it's so much beautiful. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, yung mahal rin kayo eh. Yung iba sa inyo may boyfriend, girlfriend, yung iba sa inyo married na. Yung iba sa inyo may iba kayong gusto rito, no? At may iba kayo rito minamanifest, may iba kayo ritong love. And so be it. Diba? You do not need to take a love offer dahil lang may gusto sa'yo isang tao. Dahil lang ayaw mo siya masaktan. Diba? If you accept that it's not love that you're giving out or giving back to that person, but it's awa. Diba? So, yun yung ayaw mong ibigay. That's why you're rejecting yung mga offers na alam mong hindi for you. Don't feel obligated, sweetheart. I'm proud of you. You're doing great and you're always choosing yourself. Don't feel obligated and responsible with other person's feelings. They should be the one who needs to manage it. And you are doing very, very good. That's what I'm saying. I'm so proud of you. You're choosing what's best for you. You're choosing your own happiness right here. Okay? You do not want na mag-end up sa isang situation that you will regret one day. And that's what you're trying to avoid. That's why you're always choosing here your own happiness. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Keep doing that. Okay? Let other people handle their own issues and concerns. Okay? So, ito yung mga mensaheng nakuha ko here for you guys. Thank you so much and sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.